Today we are hiking Bukhansan. So Bukhansan is in Seoul and this is Korea's most dangerous hike. I'm so tired. Oh wow. Oh, just a cliff, a massive drop right here. We are going to head up 835 meters today, which is the highest peak on Bukhansan, known as Baegundae Peak. Today I am doing this solo, no Lizelle today. Shame, she's currently at work. So this part is almost like a trap because it's so scenic, pretty, peaceful and quiet until you hit a certain spot just up ahead and it just goes straight up vertical. Baegundae, straight. There we go. Just took a quick water break. I'm guessing I have about an hour and a half to go. Still a long way. I mean, I haven't seen anybody except one guy come past me going up. Everyone is going down. So I'm not sure if that's a good sign or not. But yeah, I just stopped for a quick water break and then we go again. Wow, there's so many steep falls around here, and I'm sure when it's raining this is like lethal because it's all uphill and it's pure rock face. You'll see at the top it is an entire rock face, so you climb, once you get onto the top you're climbing onto a massive rock face. So I just chatted to another hiker now. He says about 15 minutes to 1 hour still to go, which is crazy because it feels like I've been doing this for at least an hour and a half. But yeah, I won't lie, it's getting so difficult filming and completing like a physical hardship like this. So definitely testing my limits right now. Okay, you are here and we are wanting to go here, Baegundae. So still 0.5 kilometers and about 40 minutes or so. Look at that view, unbelievable, beautiful valley view from here. Oh. Thank goodness for these railings, help so much. Pull you up here. Oh wow, stunning. 오,
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 힘들어. Stop for another break now. Having a little jelly. 2 calories. Gives a bit of energy. Just some sustenance. I mean, man, this thing is no joke. I think about 20-30 more minutes. So, I mean, I should technically be up there in 12 minutes time, but I don't think so. I'm going to be running late, and yeah, the sun's starting to dip. We might make it just in time for sunset, and I can get the drone up, and then you can see. Don't know what that says, but hopefully it doesn't say you on the rock need to get down on the mountain right now. Right, once I'm done this, I'm gonna power up this last bit, put up the volume and the music, and get going.
진짜 무서워. 나 갑자기 무서워. 어떡해.
Wow, almost bailed there. Oh, dropped the camera. Oh, wow. You have to be so careful. There's like little grooves just for your feet. Can't get enough of this view. Oh. Hell yeah, boys. We're almost there. Look at this. That's all I can say. I'm so out of breath though, I won't lie. I'm so tired. Oh wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. Luckily for these railings. Otherwise I'm gonna end up down there. Wow, this is no joke. Look at that. Just a cliff, a massive drop right here. Whoa. Yeah, this is no joke. I can see why this is Korea's most dangerous hike. Anything can happen here. So many accidents. Oh. 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 Woo. Oh yes, there's the flag. We made it. It's hella windy up here. So fitting, because one of the first things that I did in Seoul solo was hike Bukhansan, and now the last thing that I do solo in Seoul is Bukhansan. Oh yes. Woo-hoo. Wow. What more can I say? Well, I've got to head down soon before I get in trouble and I overstay my welcome on this stunning mountain. But I just hope you enjoyed this video, and watching the entire video from beginning to end has been worth it. And I hope this encourages you to get out there, travel the world, try new things, try things that you wouldn't think you could ever do. And have a drink on top of a mountain that is overlooking the city of Seoul, or a massive city, and have no regrets about it. Live your life to the fullest. Before it gets dark, I'm gonna go. And if you enjoy this video, please remember just to support me by liking, subscribing, commenting. It all goes such a long way. And subscribing as well. And until next time, see you then.